Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up non-actions automations for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on install. Right here, click on allow and install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smart You video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app hasn't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Account Settings, scroll down, and click on Create New API Key. You're going to enter your API key name and click on Create. There we go. Our API key has been created, so we're simply going to copy our API key and head over back to our account. Click on Start Setup and paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the Support Center. At the level of Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. Here, you're going to see the necessary notes app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification, everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.